Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Bitcoin, but then on a wider view here, because right now we are about to get the weekly candle close for Bitcoin. And to be very honest, this week on Bitcoin has been not the most interesting week we've been seeing there. We saw a minor increasement for the price action of Bitcoin towards the upside, but we came down right away afterwards. And right now we're basically trading on the same levels where we did open last week weekly candle as well here. However, what we can currently see on the weekly and daily time frame is very important, because we are seeing several things that you could be of course looking in towards as well, what could be helping you to be making significant gains in this market. So if you want to be finding out about this, don't forget to slap up the like button, and of course watch this video till the end so you will be not miss out on any of these details. So let's jump right away in towards the content. So currently I've been looking towards the weekly time frame on this parallel channel for already several weeks here on the market. I've been predicting that we were going to get a bounce on the lower side of the weekly time frame, and we did clearly got that bounce from the lower side, of course. While we have been seeing this bounce from the lower side here towards higher ranges, we have been seeing as well the RSI forming lower lows on the market, while the price action indeed did form higher lows on the market. So this is definitely a very bullish signal we're currently getting in the market, and this could be for sure lead towards a further increase in towards higher targets. Because once you're going to create, and let me get it in front of the screen here, a hidden bullish divergence, and especially the higher the time frame, the more significant the strength of the divergence will be here, it could be leading towards a lot of bullish price action. So right now, since we formed a lower low in the market and a higher low on the lower low on the RSI and a higher low in the market, this could be leading towards a continuation towards higher targets, and most certainly towards the higher ranges of this parallel channel. So this is of course a pretty bullish signal we're currently getting on the weekly time frame. And of course, after seeing 2 and almost 3 weekly candles afterwards closing in the green, we're basically getting a confirmation that this bullish divergence is indeed a valid bullish divergence that we're currently spotting on the market. Of course, if we're going to look at the 3-day time frame, so I'm going to be building off my time frames from the weekly, 3-day towards daily, because I think that's smart to do so. We can see also quite a lot of things here on the market. Of course, we've been forming significant downward resistance lines here on the RSI, and we've been breaching through them several times before. But mainly, let's first start looking at the price action. Of course, we do know major resistance, 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 support, and currently we broke above it, and we're getting this level retest as support as well. So this is of course a pretty bullish retest. But the most important part for me to discuss the 3-day time frame is of course the MACD here. MACD got a bullish crossover, and if we're going to look back here at every single time we do get these crossovers on the MACD, it definitely suggested either a either a period of bullishness or either a period of bearishness once we're getting such a kind of a bearish crossover, of course. So we don't see these crossovers that many times here, and like you can see, once you do get a bullish crossover, you at least could be expecting a bullish period of 45 days here. So I personally really expect that Bitcoin is going to go in a more kind of a bullish period here in the coming days and coming hours, especially coming weeks and days ahead of ourselves. So this is also looking particularly good in my opinion. If we're going to look to this different daily time frame, we do know that Bitcoin has these periods where it is going exponentially up and where it is going exponentially down here. And of course, how we identify these periods and why we call this a green and red period is purely based off the daily RSI. If the daily RSI is trading above the 50, we are in a bullish market period. If the daily RSI is trading below the 50, we are in a bearish bias period on the market. So just a moment ago, just a few days ago, and let me be exact on how many days ago it was, just exactly 10 days ago, we did enter once again the bullish period on the market, and this could be leading towards significant gains as well getting made on the market. So there are more and more signals coming out there on the market right now suggesting that we're about to enter a bullish period in the market and that we're about to enter exponential price surge. So this is also a pretty bullish signal if you ask me on the higher time frames as well. If we're purely going to look at the daily time frame, and if we're then purely going to look at the support and resistance, we can see on the daily time frame we've got several times a rejection from this level, several times a rejection, several times a support touch, several times a support touch like you can see over here. Then we breach below it, then we breach above it, we retest it, and what is going to be happening after retest? This is going to be breaking bullish in my opinion. And even if we're going to be looking at the imminent short term right now, of course, I mean, I say imminent short term, but I mean, if we're going to look at the time frame that we're right now trading on, you can see as well that Bitcoin is forming some kind of a very interesting pattern on the market right now, because you can see upper slope resistance, and what we basically did here is from the left shoulder over here, the head over here, and right now currently we are making the right shoulder, and this could be leading towards this inverse and shoulders on the market, what could be then lead towards higher price surges in this market again. So this is indeed looking extremely bullish for the market, and I definitely can't wait to see where we are heading towards from of this point here. So guys, this was my update today here. If you want to be seeing more of these expanded funds here on higher time frames, let me know in the chat here, because I'm very curious about what you guys think about it. I'm currently buying more Bitcoin. I'm currently still buying the dip. Even if Bitcoin is going to come down further on, I'm still going to be buying this dip here. But personally, right now, I think a reversal is extremely close. I'm not saying we're going to reverse tomorrow, but we are getting particularly close here. Guys, if you still want to be participating in a $2,000 giveaway, go towards my Twitter at Rover CRC, because here we are currently doing a $2,000 giveaway. Make sure to check that out here. It is definitely valuable, and it's definitely worth you to check out here. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.